very quick lang to read, but sobrang juicy pa din ng mga lessons. Hi guys! Today is the day that we're going to thoroughly review this book, Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid. So it's been a couple of days after I finished reading this book. So I really took my time para i-ponder kung ano ba talaga yung rating ko for this book and to really internalize yung mga lessons ng book na to. If I learn something new that change the perspective that I have currently. My rating for this book is, drum roll please, 5 stars. So I gave this book a 5 star. Why? Because looking back at the experience that I had in this book, every detail and every feature of this book fits well together. So I just love the story, every detail of it. That's why I rated this book as 5 star. So to give you a quick background about the book, it follows the story of Joanne, an astrophysicist, in her journey to become one of the few women to join NASA's astronaut training program, and eventually she became an astronaut. So it also tackles her journey of making friends in this training program and, finding her lover and knowing herself more. It also discusses her relationship with her family. And I just love how Joanne passionately love her niece, Frances. So it's very relatable for me because I also have nieces and nephews that I really love. So I think in that angle of in that side of her story, I resonated a lot. And not just that, but I also love the womanhood that they have of Joanne, Vanessa, Donna, and Lydia, because it also dwelled on how they supported each other in this journey, because it's very critical to have that support system in these times wherein women are being discriminated and women are being viewed as weak people that cannot do the job of an astronomer and everything. I also got resonated in that angle of the story. So, the women empowerment, even if nowadays it's also important for us women to support each other. I just, the book is lyrically, I don't know if it's lyrically, but it has tons of good writing and tons of lessons that you can gather and apply in your real life. So that's why nakakonect talaga ako sa book na to. And it also changed some of the perspectives that I have currently in life. One thing I also love about this book is the beginning, that hook. Grabe yung hook na yun. Should give the book a chance na basahin hanggang dulo. And guys, the ending, grabe, heartstopper talaga yung ending. Okay, on the other hand, if you're someone who is in the middle of reading this book and you find it very slow, I get it. I get it. I understand because we all have different preferences, right? Just give it a chance. Give it a chance, please, and read up until the end because it will all be worth it. Okay. So just trust the process and read up until the end. All right? If you're about to buy this book and you're planning to read it, please don't read the last page. Okay. I know that you're going to be curious because of what I said right now, but don't read the last page, okay? It will spoil you the thrilling moment of the ending, okay? So please don't read it. And if you're leaning to really read this book, I highly recommend that you read it. After reading the book, just let me know. You can comment down below, go back to this video again of your thoughts. So anything that you want to share about the book, you can freely share it in our comment section below. So that's for my review in this book, which I rated as 5 star. Now, I want to share with you what I'm currently reading, which is Tuesdays with Mori. So, I mentioned in the previous vlog that I already started this book before reading The Atmosphere. So, now I'm in page 123. In the next clips, I'm going to share with you my reading journey of this book. So hi, good afternoon. So I just finished my full-time work right now. So I'm just going to update you since I already finished this book, Tuesdays with Mori. So natapos ko siya ilang araw na ba? I forgot. Pero nakaraang araw ko pa siya natapos. And kita niyo naman yung mga annotations ko sa book na to. So to give you a background about this book, it revolves around Maury's life. So si Maury yung professor ni Mitch Albom, who is the author of this book, Tuesdays with Maury. And then it revolves around the story of Maury. The facing is good and very short lang siya, guys. Short siya pero sobrang daming lessons na matututunan. Kaya naman kita nyo, di ba? So, ang dami kong annotations with this book. In this very short, book na sobrang bilis basahin. And, it talks about different aspects of life, like yung mga major issues ng generation nowadays. So, it talks about, share ko sa inyo so that you have an idea. Dito naman siya sa table of contents. So, parang it consists of 14 Tuesday. So, 14 Tuesdays. So, yung una, talk about the world, talk about feeling sorry for yourself, talk about regrets, and then death, family, emotions, fear of aging, money, how love goes on, marriage, culture, forgiveness, perfect day. And then yung pang 14th Tuesday is we say goodbye. So, sobrang dami mong matututunan sa book na ito. Kaya naman, na-rate ko siya as 5 star. So, dalawang 5 star na tayo for this month of August. Hopefully, yung susunod kong, yung pinaka-last na nasa TBR list ko for this month would be a 5 star also. So, let's see. But going back with this book, if you're looking for something light to read, kasi though yung pinaka-main theme niya ay tragic. This is a tragic story since it's about Mori na who is about to face death. But on the other hand, hindi siya yung tipo ng taong takot na mamatay. And yung perspective niya nung nagkaroon siya ng illness is someone na very on a positive note and very inspiring. So, parang ikaw as a person, sobra kang may inspire sa kanya on how he view yung current situation niya. So, kung nagbabasa kayo na you're looking for something na very quick lang to read, but sobrang juicy pa din ng mga lessons, go for this one. Tuesdays with Mori, 5 star. Hi, I hope you're having a good day. So, today is August 26. Kakatapos lang ng full-time work ko. And I also finished the last book in my TBR, which is Life's Too Short by Abby Jimenez. So, ito yung pinakahuling book na nasa TBR list ko for this month. And so far, na-enjoy ko naman yung journey ko reading this book. So, I rated this as 3.75 to 4 star. So, not bad. That's not a bad rating. So, let me give you a short background about this book. So, the main character is Vanessa Price. Ano siya? A YouTuber, and primarily yung mga contents niya ay travel vlog. So, doon siya sumikat. And, ang kanyang partner in this book is Adrian Copeland, isang lawyer. Magkapit-bahay lang sila sa isang apartment na pagmamay-ari ni Adrian din. So, that's how the story goes. Yung personality ni Vanessa is that, and yung kanyang principle in life, because there is a circumstances na meron siya, which you will know if you read this book. because of the circumstances na meron siya, ayaw niyang ma-involve sa isang relationship. When she met Adrian, kumbaga nagbago lahat nung perspective na yon. So, another thing in this story, so, si Vanessa, very, yung dysfunctional yung family niya. Yung tatay niya, hoarder. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na sa tingin niya mapapakinabangan ay kukunin niya at tinatambak niya lahat sa bahay nila. And yung kapatid niya namang babae, who is Annabelle, ay drug addict, and Brand is business-minded siya. Pero lagi siyang nai-scam and laging napupunta sa wala yung mga investment niya. So, yun yung family background ni Vanessa. So, on top of that, meron pang circumstances na parang pinaka-reason kung bakit ayaw niyang ma-involve sa isang internet relationship. I also love yung outlook ni Vanessa about life na to seize every moment, to celebrate life even if there's no special occasion, because life is worth celebrating for no matter what. Yung pagising mo pa lang sa umaga, cliche man tong sabihin, pero yung pagising mo sa umaga is already a blessing. I felt grounded nung nabasa ko to, because right now in my life, I'm thinking about future, anong gagawin ko in the future, to the point na nako-compromise yung present, yung pagiging present ko, yung pagiging in the moment ko, na ma-appreciate yung life, ma-appreciate yung meron ako. So, that's what I love about Vanessa. And gusto ko din na yung book has two point of views. One for Vanessa and one for Adrian. Yung alternate the perspective nila in a specific scenario. I enjoy that a lot. Yung pagiging yearner din ni Adrian kay Vanessa. Yun, yung parang nakikita mo yung perspective ni Adrian. Ano na ba yung nasa isip niya? Ano na ba yung nararamdaman niya? For Vanessa, yung ganun yung pagiging yearner niya. And because I won't feel that kind of emotion na parang nafe-feel ko din yung nararamdaman nung mga characters. I won't feel that way without the author's good writing style. So I also commend yung ganda ng writing style din ni Abby Jimenez, wherein she will make you feel what her characters wanted you to feel. Siguro yung medyo downside lang dito, I don't know, but baka ko lang. But that's the reason why hindi siya naging 5-star for me, ay dahil merong point sa story na to na yung pinaka-crucial information or detail about Vanessa, yun pa yung na-overlook ni Adrian. Kumbaga, I don't know kung na-overlook niya. I know, parang hindi niya na-internalize ng maayos. Yung ganon. Parang super late naman na parang super late naman nang ma-realize mo yung napaka-importanting detail na yun or bagay na sa isang tao. So, parang doon lang ako na-off. But, yeah, it doesn't really affect tremendously dun sa pinaka-overall rating ko. So, still, high pa rin yung 4-star. And I still, enjoyed the book. So, yeah, that's it for me. And that's it for this video. So, in total, we read 3 books this month. I love na nagkakaroon na ako ng routine in reading books. Though, slowly but surely, at least kahit pakonti-konti, I am able to do my hobby, and it really makes me happy to read books, to create book reviews, and to also share it with you guys. So if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe in this channel, and comment down below of the thoughts that you have about the book that I read. So, tatlong books yon: The Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid, Tuesdays with Maury by Beach Album, and lastly is Life's Too Short by Abby Jimenez. So, thank you so much again, guys, for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!